Quiz time. So I'm going to give you 10 dating tips, and I want you to tell me if you would ever do this for a man or if you would never do this for a man. Okay? So it's ever or never. Are you ready? Number one, surprise your guy by unexpectedly doing his laundry or tidying up when he's out. Ever or never. Number two, learn how to make a difficult meal that takes you half the day to make and then serve it to him with a smile. Ever or never. Number three, when he arrives at your house, open the door wearing nothing but a trench coat and heels. Ever or never. Number four, if you are thinking about cutting your long hair, make sure to ask him how he feels about it first. Ever or never. Number five, if you're talking and he's clearly not interested, make sure to change the subject to something he wants to talk about. Ever or never. Number six, always keep yourself trim and attractive for him because guys don't like it when you let yourself go. Ever or never. Number seven, never complain. No man wants to be around a negative person. Ever or never. Number eight, do not try to impress him. Instead, always show him how impressive you find him. Ever or never. Number nine, ask him for help even if you don't actually need it. Manly things like moving a heavy box or looking at a leaky faucet. Ever or never. And number 10, never blame him for how you feel because you are responsible for your own happiness. Ever or never. Okay, so what is your score? Are any of these tips ones that you have used in your own life? Or are you, like me, hearing some alarm bells ringing? Now, when I read these tips, I originally thought that it was some 1950s manual for housewives. The kind of stuff that my mother would have read growing up. But nope, this is modern day dating advice. It's advice that some young women in their 20s are telling other young women. Ladies, we've got to save each other from this bad dating advice. But how do we do it? How do we even spot the bad stuff? Simple. We apply my patented bad dating advice test. Hi, I'm Amy Waterman. I am a love expert here at yourbrilliance.com. And in this video, I'm going to be giving you 3 questions that you need to ask of any dating tip to find out if it's any good or not. I remember being 20-something, and I was so interested in learning how to get a guy because I had spent my teen years feeling completely invisible. And now that I was on my own and I was feeling confident, I wanted to express that confidence by flirting and dating and just being wanted by men. And so I ate up all of that hackneyed dating advice because it was all fresh and new to me. Like, I didn't know at that point that it was the same advice that my mother had been given, and probably her mother before that. When you're in your 20s, it's natural to try and shape yourself into what men want. It feels like that's what you're supposed to do. But what I didn't realize back then is that guys were interested in me because I was so different, because I was out there living my life. I was doing my own thing. I wasn't waiting for anyone's approval. So the minute I turned around and I started doing that stuff that I thought I was supposed to do, the stuff that I'd been told to do by all that great dating advice I'd read, was the moment I lost my power. Guys wanted me when I didn't do that stuff. And the minute I started doing it, guys knew I was hustling for their approval. They lost interest and I lost the guy. Did you know that? Did you know that guys can tell the minute you start to follow all that hackneyed advice? Because they know they've got you in the bag then. And you're no longer this fascinating independent creature who may or may not want to let them in further. Now you're just like all the other women, hoping to win his approval by setting yourself up as the perfect girlfriend. So here's what I would like to tell you. You are so much more than a toy for men. You have your own life, you have your own visions, you have your own dreams, and your pleasure matters. Any man that you allow into your life is going to have to support you by giving you pleasure. And that's pleasure on every level: the pleasure of touch, the pleasure of intimacy, the pleasure of comfort and satiation. Right? Am I right? It's not your job to find out what pleases men so that you can give them what they want. It's your job to find out what pleases you and seek out a partner who adores pleasuring you. And when you do that, you become what's known as a high value woman, because now you're not like other women. You've got standards, you expect some respect, and he's going to have to work at it. Now, I admit only certain men are going to respond to that, because players won't like it. They won't be able to control you, and they can't stand being around a woman who's in control of her own life and her own choices. The men who will respond to your pleasure the most are the high value men. The men who don't want some little woman, but rather an equal partner. Somebody who won't collapse her boundaries when he's around. Somebody who challenges him. You could be the woman he's been waiting his entire life for. A woman who's in touch with her own pleasure and who has space in her life for a partner who will join her in her quest for a delicious, fabulous, mutually satisfying life. Now, my book, The Pleasure Principle, takes you through that transformation, and I will make sure to put up a link to it because it's unlike any other love advice guide you've ever read. It gives you the permission to go after more pleasure in your life. Pleasure, of course, being the most powerful aphrodisiac of all. But in the meantime, if you don't have my book and you are wading through the sea of dating advice and wondering what will actually help you and what will hurt you, there's a test that can help. All you've got to do is ask 3 questions, and your answers will tell you whether or not any particular piece of dating advice works for you or not. Because we're all unique. I mean, you may love spending half the day cooking him an amazing meal because that's your love language. It all comes down to how that action makes you feel inside. So here's the test. Can your dating advice pass it? Question number 1. Does this piece of dating advice make you feel stronger? Question number 2. Does this dating advice take into account your pleasure, or is it just about pleasing him? And question number 3, do you feel that doing this would be reciprocated? In other words, does he make this kind of effort for you? And if the answer to all 3 questions is no, if this tip makes you feel stupid or silly, if it's about his pleasure and it ignores yours, or if you're doing all the work and he's just sitting back and enjoying it, then what you have is advice designed to cut you down to size. When I think about all the young women out there taking on board all of this advice that tell them to focus on his pleasure and what he likes, I feel sad. They have this incredible future ahead of them where they can find out what they like and what turns them on, and they're not listening. Now, those of us who are on the other side know there is so much more to life than hustling for a man's approval. What we're after is the big kahuna, right? We are after love, not just getting the guy. And a man's love is a whole different game. Hey, if anything I said here resonated with you, could you do me a favor? Could you make sure to like and share? Be part of the pleasure revolution with me. Your likes and shares help me get this message out to everyone who needs to hear it. Thank you so much, and I will see you next time.